Hi everyone, let's do this one now. The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters longer than its width. Okay, so we do know we have rectangle. So what is given? Length is 5 centimeters longer than width. So width is unknown, so we're going to label that x. And the length is 5 centimeters more than width, which is plus 5. Area is also given, is equal to 84 centimeters squared. So we do have to find a dimension if the area is equal 84. So we have to find what is the length of this rectangle and what is the width. So using information given, we do know that area of rectangle is length times width, or I can write this as length times width equal A. It doesn't make any difference. So length is x plus 5 times x is equal to A. Area is 84. So the next step is to expand, multiply every single term inside the brackets by x. That's going to give us x to the power of 2. So, and then plus 5x equal to 84. So rearrange, move everything on one side. So we can do that by just taking away 84 here, because we have positive 84. When we take away 84, it's going to cancel out. It will give us 0. But just remember, whatever you do on one side, you have to do to the other as well, to apply to the other side as well. Now let's rearrange this. X to the power of 2 plus 5x, take away 84, and is equal to 0. This can be solved now using graphics calculator, factorization, using quadratic formula. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to use graphics calculator, and calculator gave me two solutions. One is x equal to negative 12 and another one is x equal to 7. So because we are talking about the length, we do know that length can't be negative or 0. So x has to be bigger than 0. So therefore x equal negative 12 won't be used. Gone. That's it. So the only value of x that we're going to consider is x equal to 7. So I'm going to have this diagram again. So this side was x, now that's going to be 7, and the length was x plus 5, because x is 7, it's going to be 7 plus 5 is 12, so we're going to have 12 centimeters, 7 centimeters. It's going to give us the area equal of 84 centimeters squared, and that would be the dimension 12 by 7, and it's going to give us area of 84. And that would be all for now. Thank you. Bye.